Hey everyone, welcome back to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we're exploring something truly transformative: how to collaborate creatively with generative AI. Now, this isn't about letting AI do all the work. It's about using Gen AI like a creative partner, a supercharged assistant that never sleeps, doesn't get tired, and is always ready to help you brainstorm, generate, refine, and elevate your ideas. Let's jump right in. What does it mean to collaborate with Gen AI? Think of Gen AI as a collaborator that amplifies your imagination. You provide the vision, the guidance, the direction, and Gen AI helps you bring that to life faster, at scale, and with fresh creative angles. Whether you're working in writing, music, video, visual art, or even product design, AI can support you by generating concepts, offering alternatives, refining drafts, and pushing your ideas further. But here's the catch: Gen AI doesn't understand you. It doesn't know what you meant unless you say it clearly and completely. The better your prompt, the better your results. The process is iterative. Think of it as sculpting. Each prompt shapes the output a bit more. Real-world human-AI collaboration. I'll give you an example from my own experience. It was built with Gen AI, but that doesn't mean I pressed a button and it magically appeared. I prompted the AI, evaluated its output, rephrased instructions, added structure, changed tone, and shaped it to match my creative voice and the standards of neural tech analytics. That's the real art here. It's not about shortcuts. It's about collaboration, where the human stays in control and AI simply accelerates the creative process. Creative fields are already embracing AI. Across industries, Gen AI is powering creativity in bold new ways. Artists are using tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Deep Dream to produce stunning visual art. Musicians are creating with AI-powered composers like OpenAI's MuseNet or Google's Magenta. Writers are teaming up with ChatGPT and Claude to brainstorm, draft, and edit novels, poems, and even news stories. Filmmakers are tapping into Gen AI for screenwriting, storyboarding, special effects, and even generating entire animated scenes. Fable Studios even created full South Park episodes with AI, voice, plot, animation, all AI generated. Impressive? Yes. But it also raises big questions about ownership, ethics, and accountability. The prompt is the palette. Across all these disciplines, one thing remains consistent: the power of your prompt. Want great results? Be specific. Add context. Include tone, style, emotion, time period, whatever matters to the creative vision. Instead of saying "write me a story," try "write a suspenseful short story set in a dystopian future, exploring themes of technology and humanity with a twist ending." That's a detailed vision. And the more detail you give, the better Gen AI performs. Watch out for the risks. But let's talk honestly, there are risks. Gen AI can plagiarize, hallucinate, or generate biased content. It might pull from someone else's work, even unintentionally. It doesn't know what's copyrighted, what's private, or what's ethical. You do. If you use Gen AI professionally, always take the final step to refine, verify, and ensure your output is safe and original. The courts are already holding people accountable. Just ask Air Canada. They had to pay compensation when their AI chatbot gave a customer false information. The court didn't blame the bot, it blamed the company. So always remember, you're responsible for what your AI produces. Responsible AI and ethical collaboration. This brings us to a key point: responsible AI. This means using AI ethically, transparently, and in alignment with human values. It includes respecting privacy and consent, checking for and eliminating bias, being clear about how decisions are made, and never replacing human creativity, only expanding it. As creators, we must lead with integrity, stay up to date with laws, best practices, and responsible AI principles. If you're unsure, consult legal or ethical experts before publishing AI-generated content. Benefits of using Gen AI creatively. Now, when done right, collaborating with GenAI can be incredibly powerful. Here are just a few advantages. Faster idea generation. No more staring at a blank screen. Creative breakthroughs. AI can suggest fresh directions when you're stuck. Personalization at scale. Tailor content for different audiences easily. Cross-disciplinary innovation. Connect ideas from art, science, history, and more. Accessibility. No need to code or master complex software. If you can describe it, you can create it. Some inspiring use cases. Here's a look at what's already happening. A visual artist created 12,000 plus AI-generated images and sells them on Adobe Stock. Some even printed as massive wallscapes for corporate interiors. The Beatles' final song featured John Lennon's voice, extracted by AI from an old demo tape, enabling a heartfelt new release decades after his passing. Investigators are experimenting with AI to reconstruct crime scenes from testimony and surveillance, blending fact and interpretation in powerful new ways. These aren't just tools, they're enablers of new creative frontiers. So what's next? The GenAI revolution is just beginning. As creators, innovators, educators, and technologists, it's up to us to shape how these tools are used and ensure that AI remains a partner, not a replacement. Collaboration is the key. AI brings speed, scale, and structure. You bring vision, values, and creativity. And remember, talent still matters most. A great artist can make magic with any tool, even AI. At Neural Tech Analytics, we teach you to collaborate with GenAI the right way, responsibly, ethically, and creatively. Learn how to unlock the full power of AI for your career and your future. Visit our website to get started.